Hi friends, I'm here on McNeil Road in Altamonte Springs, Orlando, Florida, on this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a gorgeous patio. It's in the market for $469,000. Let's come with me and let's see what it has to offer. Let me know in the comments what you think. Please like and subscribe and share. Feel free to share with a friend. If they're looking to buy a home over here in Orlando, Central Florida, let me know, connect with me, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Okay, we're here in front of 1325 McNeil Road, Altamonte Springs in Orlando, Florida. This house, as I mentioned, is going for $469,000. It has an oversized corner lot, as you see. Gorgeous backyard. We'll take a look in a little bit. And it has a nice location near the schools over here. Come with me inside and let's see everything this home has to offer. The home is about 1,665 square feet. Nicely renovated inside, I would say. As you step in, the first thing you see is the kitchen on the back. Then you have a living room, very comfortable living room with a chimney, featuring a chimney, a real chimney, a beautiful lamp, nice colors, make you feel like you're in the beach. Over here is the formal dining room, and that's the kitchen. We're gonna start on this side. We're gonna see the guest bedrooms first. Over here to my right, you have a storage linens closet. Over here is the first room. It was made an office, really nice, with the corner windows. Offers a lot of natural light. The ceiling fan. I'm aware the house has a newer roof, about 2-3 years old. This room, you see the closet there. Beautiful lamps, crystal lamps in the hallway. Right next door is the other bedroom. On the back side, you see the large windows. And this, of course, is a bedroom with a queen size bed. It has the closet over there. And it has a nice looking pink ceiling fan. It has laminate flooring. Over here to my right, we're gonna see the bathroom. It's a full bathroom with a nice looking sink. Also laminate flooring. Plenty of natural light from the window in the back, and it has a tub on it, a tub and a shower head, as you see. Let's take a quick peek. Very clean and neat. It's a double shower head actually. Over here you can see the vanity with the sink and the toilet. As we head out, I see in this bathroom there is also a linen closet over here. And another closet over here. Plenty of storage throughout the home. Over here we head back to the living room area. That's the formal dining and the living room. You see these beautiful gray cabinets in the kitchen. I see the washer machine, a nice fridge, and a lot of storage on the cabinets, tall cabinets. From the kitchen, you have that beautiful view to the backyard. I'll show you in a minute. We'll go after we see the house inside. Over here, a very convenient laundry room next to the door that leads to the yard. See the washer and dryer here with some storage on the top and cabinets on this side. You can do the laundry right here. The flooring looks gorgeous, it's like tile. Over here you have this little hallway that leads to the living room and the primary bedroom. You have this gorgeous lamp I mentioned before. It illuminates pretty nice. And the real chimney with a TV entertainment center on that wall. As you walk in, we see the primary bedroom, very spacious, with high ceilings and nice lamps, makes it very relaxing. Over here to my right on the primary bedroom, you see a walk-in closet, very spacious. And as you see, it has a king-size bed. Over here, a lot of space. We even have a workout machine over here. It has plenty of natural light as well. It's just the windows are closed with the blinds. Obviously to produce this calming room lighting effect. Over here is the bathroom for the primary. It has a nice cabinet on this side. It has double sink actually, one on each side of the wall. Pretty nice illuminated. And over here we have a nice looking shower with the double head as well. And that's the vanity sink right there. And the other vanity over here. I see it has a nice large mirrors cabinets where you can store things. And to my right hand side we have the toilet obviously over here with the window. Let's head back to the primary bedroom over here. Let's take a look from this side. Pretty spacious. As you see, there is plenty of room for everything you want in a bedroom. And it feels very cool and comfortable. The AC is a newer AC as well. Let's walk back to the main living area where the entertainment system is, and we'll head right out on the beautiful, gorgeous. This is the living room, by the way, again. We're gonna see the backyard. Look at this gorgeous backyard. Beautifully decorated with a fountain, a water fountain right there, and a table right here. Beautiful amenity. Completely fenced with white fencing. It has a nice looking shed right there that not only has electricity, it also has AC and feel cool inside. It has this nice pathway, walkway, everything on stones, as you see over here on the floor. Makes it very relaxing right here in Altamonte Springs. If you want to use this room, it's a shed with AC. It doesn't have a bathroom, but it does feel pretty comfortable inside. The house also features the solar panels on the top. The whole back side of the house is surrounded by solar panels, about 17 panels I understand, and they can produce electricity to charge not only the house, but also your car if you have a Tesla. Over here on this side, you see this smaller shed. Beautiful. The landscaping has been really well kept, and it honestly looks gorgeous. We're gonna step back inside the house. Has these nice looking windows too, and I would dare to say they're hurricane resistant because they look like pretty solid. Let's head back inside. As soon as you head back inside from the backyard, you have the kitchen view and the laundry room to my right hand side. Let's step back. Beautiful, nice, decorated home. Offers you a very convenient location for Orlando lifestyle. Pretty spacious. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this home. Let's take a look back at the front of the home, and I'll leave you with this and we'll go see the next home.